Today I'll show a very simple activity on friction. Okay, it's a toy making activity. This is called friction toy, and it shows that how friction works. Okay, so there is a simple matchbox there. Inside of a matchbox, a refill is there, a cut refill, and a thread is penetrating through this particular matchbox. What happens if I this is a matchbox. Okay, if I release it, it will fall down because of the gravity. It will fall down because of no magic thing happening here. It will fall down because of the gravity. But what will happen if I tight it, then it hold its place. Again a rule is it falls down. Again I tight, it stop. Loose, fall down. Tight, stop. Loose, fall down. What happen when I lose it? It falls because of the gravity as this string loosely connected to the refill. But when I tight it, it's strongly connected to the refill, so it provides a friction and it stops its movement, so it reduces its falling down speed or something like that, so it decreases its speeds. That's why this thing happened. This is because of friction, and this friction is known as the slide friction. So this is one another activity that is of sound. So we have 3 beakers and 1 glass rod and 2 ice cream sticks. So 1 beaker is filled of water and 2 beakers are empty. So what happens? I have this glass rod. If I hit this glass rod, the sounds which are listening, that is changed when I hit this. As this empty beaker is light compared to this filled beaker, so it's difficult to vibrate the filled beaker. That's why its pitch is low and its pitch is high. And these things also I can perform if I pour this water with this empty beaker or this beaker. So how this pitch is changing from high to low. Why? Because initially it is light. When I poured the water in this beaker, it's become heavier, so it is difficult to vibrate. So that's why its pitch is low. And one more thing, this activity also can be performed with this ice cream sticks. When I put this ice cream stick at the end of it, different sound will be there, and if I different sound will be there. So that's why, because the pitch is changing from high to low. Okay.